is the Java plum fruit cake. This is, oh man, this is the Java plum, guys, itself. And I use the fruit itself with some dry fruits to make the cake, right? This is how the Java looks. Yeah, so I actually use this to make this. So that's the texture. All right, so that's the texture of the cake.